3D printing, additive manufacturing used to be hard. And what some of these softwares can do now is they take the complexity out of the process, and they allow engineers that are working an application or a problem in a medical field, for example, to focus on that application and the problem, and not have to also and simultaneously and in parallel solve a manufacturing process problem. And so I think you see that from some of the things that I talked about. You see that with Dr. Gopu as well, right? He's using tools to very quickly work his way through an advanced design of experiments where he can just focus on getting that best application in the mouth of a patient and not have to worry about the colloidal chemistry happening in a tissue graft. And the same when you want to make something using an EOS printer. You don't need to be a 10-year veteran now to tweak the process and material chemistry all around to get a good result. These tools are democratizing access to a powerful manufacturing technology. I think that for me is like the biggest impact that these type of tools are having at the